Every morning, dozens of trucks deliver tons of plastic waste, the first step in creating high-quality recycled mats.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Hold it right there. We're clear to unload.
Attention all personnel. The hydraulic feed is active. Stand clear of the platform.
Heads up on the glass. Pull it before it hits the crusher. Automated sorting sequence active. Please maintain safety distance from conveyor systems.
Sorting complete. Clear plastics proceed to line 1. All other materials divert to auxiliary processing. The automated system efficiently separates the caps from the bottles, ensuring high-quality recycled materials.
Look at the throughput on line 3.
Flawless integration. The new sorters are exceeding expectations. Welcome to the washing tunnels. Here, the waste bottles receive their first cleaning before becoming plastic mats.
Harnessing the power of pressurized water, we purify every flake, transforming waste into the sustainable materials of tomorrow.
Attention all floor staff. Area 7 require immediate cleaning. Ensure all safety protocols are observed during the cleaning cycle.
This is where the magic happens. We take all this waste and shred it down, ready to be turned into high-quality plastic mats.
The air separation system uses powerful currents to remove contaminants, ensuring high purity for the next stage of manufacturing.
Take a look at this green batch. It seems a bit off color for the mat production. Yeah, I see it. Let's divert this lot for resorting immediately. Using high-speed optical sensors, we scan the plastic flakes for unwanted colors and impurities. Defective material is instantly rejected by automated systems.
Weighing sequence complete. Dispensing initiated for premium mat production. All systems optimal. The recycled material is uniformly blended, ensuring the highest quality for every plastic mat we produce.
Observe the smooth flow of materials, essential for our high-quality recycled plastic mats.
The temperature is holding steady now.
Good, the texture looks perfect. Automated process engaged, utilizing recycled materials for sustainable output. Please stand clear of the machinery.
Line 3B is running at optimal efficiency with perfect alignment. Please monitor the tension controls closely.
All parameters are within acceptable limits, maintaining exact manufacturing standards. The macro lens captures every detail as the engraved rollers create a durable, decorative texture on the plastic mat.
Cooling phase initialized. Quality control parameters are nominal.
Scanning complete. No defects detected.
Look at this detail here. Okay, let's set this one aside for re-inspection.
Cutting sequence complete. Quality control check initiated on line 4.
Precision is key as the high-speed cutters finalize the standard-sized mats.
There is a clear inclusion at the edge. This unit does not meet specifications.
Cleaning cycle initiated. All systems optimal. With a smooth, controlled burst of pressure, the stylized logo is applied flawlessly every time.
We've streamlined the process for the blue mats. The new robotic arms ensure the transfer is flawless every time.
Our advanced wrapping film ensures maximum protection, sealing every bundle with crisp, mechanical precision.
Attention all floor staff. Shift briefing at 1400 hours in Section 3.
Experience the future of logistics. Our synchronized robotic palletizers ensure maximum efficiency and precision, 24 hours a day. Our state-of-the-art stretch wrapping technology ensures maximum security for your products. The transparent film tightly embraces the load.
Everything looks good here. All checks passed.
Excellent. Let's approve the shipment.
Quality check passed.
Attention all floor staff. Please ensure all inbound shipments are processed by 1600 hours.
Process complete.
Confirming retrieval of the red mats, Bay 4B. Dispatch the next pallet to loading dock 3. Make sure all the barcodes are scanning correctly before they go out.
Yes, everything is verified for the shipment.
In a facility this size, efficiency is paramount. The synchronized movement of the heavy machinery.
Watch your clearance on the left.
Got it. Setting it down now.
Perfect. Pull out slow. That's the last one secured. Looks good. We're clear for transport.
Sign right here on page 3, confirming the count. Drive safely. Got it. Everything is secure. We're good to go.
Making good time on the central route.
Roger that. Watch for traffic near the depot.
powerful panorama of sustainable industry. Inside this Iranian facility, advanced tech